Welcome back, my friends, to another Wendy's stock update. Today, you got Wendy's flat on the day, up, actually down 1 penny, basically flat, sitting at $7.54 with 33 hours left of power hour. Had this jump up, this wick up to 771. Might have just been a big buy order hitting the tape. But basically a nothing burger on the day. I'm going to show you the short borrow fee rate is at 5%. They have 2.3 million shares available. Again, all price action until a squeeze is irrelevant to me. I'm looking forward to the failures to deliver that come out, I believe, July 17th. So we'll have more data on that. See if there's some naked shorting going on. By the way, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do not make investments based on what I say in these videos. But I do believe Wendy's is going to squeeze eventually. If it doesn't squeeze, I still think it's going to increase in multiples from $7. See you for the next update. Peace.